All right, folks, welcome to the AI Copy Lab once again. And today we're going to create a lead magnet opt-in page. And in case you are wondering, let's say you want to build your email list, but you're not sure how to do that. So let's ask ChatGPT what it would do. We already know what we want to create, okay? In this instance, we've created a lead magnet that gives people a special report on 5 ways to conquer imposter syndrome. All right. This is a fictional report. All right. But we're going to ask ChatGPT to write an opt in page for it. And let's go. And this is what it came up with. Unlock your true potential. Here's the headline for it. Opt in for the special report on 5 ways to conquer imposter syndrome. And it gives me the page. All right. But in this video, I'm actually going to rewrite it. So what you're going to want to do, because you can't just copy and paste ChatGPT outputs. All right. So we're going to copy this. Just go ahead and copy there and go over to Google Docs. But I've already pasted it in for the sake of time. So let's start rewriting this thing. All right. So here's the headline. And I'm not really a huge fan of this headline. And I'm going to increase the font here. So we'll center it. So instead of opt in for the special report, grab my special report on 5 ways to conquer imposter syndrome. And, that's just one of 10 possible or hundreds of possible headlines. And actually, let's do this because I'm tired of this headline. Let's go back to ChatGPT and tell it to create 10 alternate headlines. Give me 10 alternate headlines for this. All right. And so you're going to paste the headline in there and let's get some other ideas. Here we go. I like this one. So we're going to copy and paste that and put it right in here instead. And what did this take me? About 15 seconds. So this is a much better headline, and ChatGPT created it out of whole cloth. All right. So this is a better headline. So here's some other things about this opt-in page. Too long of a first paragraph. So let's separate this out. Basically, what we're doing is making this more palatable for potential people who may want to opt in and conquer this themselves. So I'm bolding some things here. Let's bold this statement. Here's a sneak peek. And then what we're going to do is space these out. And you're going to use something like lead pages or ClickFunnels to create your opt-in page, whatever you have. But this gives you an idea of what we want to do. We're going to bold all the different things that they're going to discover here. So see what I'm doing? I'm just kind of humanizing this copy, right? And we don't even need this line. All right, so we're taking that right out. But wait, there's more? Come on. That's such a cliche. We're going to take that out. And so here are the things they'll also receive. So we're going to bold those and do that. Downloadable workbook, private online community. ChatGPT just came up with this stuff. I didn't ask it to give this. All right. So this is the opt-in page that it came up with. Not bad. So it says this is your opt-in form. You're going to want to test this. What I would do is do some split testing, ideally, because if you want to use one or another version of this, and whichever one is more popular, you're going to go with that if you're going to want to do Facebook ads or whatever. So here is the opt-in page that it created. And that is the video this time around in the AI Copy Lab. I'm Andy O'Brien, and I'll see you in the next video.